Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing. In this video, we will be discussing about a simple drug calculation of injection heparin administered through subcutaneous route. As we all know, heparin is an anticoagulant that prevents the formation of blood clots. It is used to prevent or treat certain blood vessels, heart and lung conditions. Heparin is also used to prevent blood clotting during surgeries like open heart surgeries and procedures like dialysis. Heparin is administered through two routes. One is intravenous and the other is subcutaneous. Heparin is available in 5 ml vial in two different forms. One is 25,000 international units per 5 ml and the other is 5,000 international units per 5 ml. Now, let's look into the drug calculation of injection heparin to be administered through subcutaneous route. When we administer injection heparin through subcutaneous route, insulin syringe is used containing 40 units that equals 1 ml. The basic drug calculation formula is used, that is desired dose multiplied by quantity divided by the available dose. Now, a simple sentence is used in selecting which vial, that is either 25,000 units or 5,000 units, need to be selected. If the order is more than 1000, then use 25,000 vial, and if the order is less than 1000, then use 5,000 vial. Now let's look into the first example. Doctor advised to administer injection heparin 2000 international units subcutaneous BD. Now, as per the formula, the desired dose is 2000 units. The quantity is 40 units as per the insulin syringe. And the first thing in calculating the available dose is we have selected 25,000 international units vial as per the mentioned criteria. Now, the maximum 1 ml can be loaded in the insulin syringe will be 5,000 units because 25,000 international units equals 5 ml. Therefore, 1 ml equals 5,000 international units. So, as per the formula, now the calculation is 2000 multiplied by 40 divided by 5,000, and the answer will be 16 units. So now you can load 16 units from 25,000 international unit vial using an insulin syringe for administration. Let's look into the second example. The doctor advised to administer injection heparin 500 international unit subcutaneous BD. Dose will be 500 units and the quantity will be the same, 40 units of insulin syringe, and the available dose will be, we have selected 5,000 international units vial and the available dose will be 1000 units because 5,000 international units equals 5 ml of heparin. 1 ml will be equal to 1000 international units, which becomes the available dose. Now the formula is 500 multiplied by 40 divided by 1000, and the answer will be 20 units. Now you can load 20 units from 5,000 international units vial using an insulin syringe for administration. So this is the simple drug calculation of administering injection heparin through subcutaneous route. So the very first thing to be brought into the mind is, if the prescription is more than 1000 international units, then select 25,000 international units vial, and if it is less than 1000 units, then select a 5,000 international units vial. At the end of the slide, we have added a very instant pocket calculation of both 25,000 vial and 5,000 units vial. Thank you. If you find our video useful, please put a like on it, and if you wish to receive updates, then please subscribe. Thank you and have a very nice day.